of course, our safari trip na hindi ko naman in-expect na ang buong Pilipinas ay magkakaroon ng
Oo
Masai
nga
Mara
eh.
trippings after that. Really, it was so unexpected. The moment our videos blew up, it was very unexpected, and it was also very fulfilling because I think the best comment I got from those videos were, I think the fact that they found a new dream without knowing it even exists.
Mm-mm.
Like some people, they didn't even know Masai Mara existed. But after they saw my content, it was just a whole new dream for them. It's a
Oo.
reason for them to work hard and visit and experience what we experience. So, yun, life-changing talaga siya. I thought people only say that, na parang, when you visit the safari, you're gonna come home a different person. But I really came home a different person with a whole new perspective also
Mm-mm.
and a whole new mindset in life. So that is a core memory. Another one would be Lapland because out of the 25 trips, would you believe that's the only thing planned?
Ay, oo nga.
Diba? At
Oo
December
nga.
pa siya. That's the only trip na coming into 2025, I knew I'm gonna do with my family. Kasi request talaga yun ng mom ko na she wants to see the Northern Lights. Both of my parents are senior citizens already. So, habang kaya pa ng tuhod nila, yun yung request nila to be able to see the Northern Lights. So, yun lang yung trip ko na sobrang planado. Yun lang din yung pinakamatipid kong trip dahil
Oo
planado nga siya. So of course, and I think it's also one of my last few big trips before I get married with my parents.
Mm-mm.
So yun ang aking core memes talaga. Ang daming memories this year na honestly feeling ko kailangan kong umupo.
Oo.
At actually,
Kasi wala ka pang Australia, sis.
Ay,
Ma-engage ka.
Oh my God! Oo nga! Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo Diba? Ang dami-dami. Of course, Melbourne is kasi feeling ko when I went to Melbourne, ang utak ko lang is, parang bittersweet siya Kasi dadalhin ko yung kapatid ko to Australia. She's gonna move there already for school. Pero little did I know, that trip will change my life because that's exactly the place where Miggy and I got engaged. But I swear, my mind is like, parang patong-patong siya, ang dami niya. Kaya, yun yung sabi ko sa kanila, I think the office last day niyo today, 'di ba? Di ba? Buti pa kayo. Buti pa kayo. Sabi ko sa team ko, guys, max ko na December 19. I really need my slow days because it has been a very eventful year.
Yes.
Tama?
Yes,
For us.
it was.
Both good and bad. Ang dami nangyari sa taon na to. So, yun yung ni-request ko. Like, give me my slow days before the year ends because I really need to really look back, sit down, and look at all the small, the big, and everything in between because that's the only way I will be able to remember also.
So, with all the core memories, you've mentioned how travel means a lot to you.
Yes.
And I'm not sure if tama to sa memory ko and
Yeah.
if people know this, but you haven't had a solo trip yet, diba?
Oh, yes. That's why I love that CK does that because wala pa akong solo trip.
Can you share more about that?
Ay,
Kasi
nako.
with all the experiences, every time nag-uusap kami ni Ma'am Marie, I would say, mag-solo trip ka na, kaya mo na kasi ang dami mo nang napuntahan.
Correct.
Ang dami niyo nang nagagawa. And then, there are moments wherein she would fly in or fly out alone. But to really travel or like explore.
Or have the entire trip to myself. Oo.
Can you share more about why you haven't?
Okay. So, I started traveling really early. I'm forever grateful for that. My parents worked really hard to bring us to, Asia. Yun na naman, pag bata tayo, we go to Hong Kong, Singapore, ganyan, Malaysia, Thailand. And then when I started working, I started traveling more with Miggy because it was for work.
Mhm.
And then if it wasn't for work, laging with friends, ganyan. So, matanda na ako, 29 na ako. So, pwede ko na itong sabihin. So, dati, hindi talaga kami pwede ni Miggy mag-travel. Kami dalawa lang. As a strict traditional parents, bawal yun, babae, lalaki. Bawal kayo mag-travel, hindi pa naman kayo kasal. So, lagi ko pong ginagamit na excuse na may work trip kami.
Okay lang, ikakasal ka naman, sis.
Ikakasal na ako.
Engage
So,
ka naman.
pwede ko na yung sabihin. So, parang, di ba, laging may excuse na work trip siya. So, it's always with friends. It's always with Miggy. And then, eto na nga, magkaka-chance na sana ako magkaroon ng solo trip. So, I went to Spain, I went to Mallorca because I booked this Pilates retreat. I've been wanting to do this. Sabi ko, I wanted to do yung mga 30 things you do before you turn 30. Di ko ina-announce kasi for sure di ko naman matatapos yung 30s. So, basta things I wanna do before I turn 30, isa yun, to travel alone and to do a Pilates retreat. So, sabi ko, love, ito na nakabook na ako, ganyan. Last minute, si Miggy, he saw some videos on TikTok na parang, I guess may mga commotion na nangyayari sa Espanya. Sabi niya, love, parang hindi kaya ng puso ko pa-flyin ka mag-isa.
Mm-mm.
So sabi niya, I'm just gonna go there. Tapos, kuwari na lang wala ako doon. Pero, pero
Na
nandun
parang-
ako para daw in case of anything. Nandun siya.
Mm-mm.
So, I think, overthinker ang nanay ko at ang aking fiancé. That's the
Mm-mm.
reason why I haven't done it. And, on top of that, your girl cannot sleep alone. Yun talaga ang aking problema. Alam nyo ba na side kwento lang ha, the reason why I became so close to Ate Riza Contawi and Rai Velasco is because when I started vlogging and when I started having abroad trips for work, kumakatok ako sa kanila.
Mm-mm.
Hello, pwede po ba makitulog? Legit.
Oh my
So that's how I became
gosh.
close to Rai because I would literally say, sis, can I sleep in your room kahit sa couch lang? Because I grew up with a little sister. So you can
Okay.
imagine my
Mm-mm.
entire life, I had a sister beside me,
Mm-mm.
diba? And then when pandemic hit, that's when Miggy and I started living together because we don't want to compromise the health of both our parents.
Mm-mm.
So technically, buong buhay ko, may kasama ko matulog.
Mm-mm.
O from yaya, naging kapatid, naging si Miggy. So hindi ko po talaga kayang matulog mag-isa. So kahit na feeling ko, sinasabi ko na gusto kong mag-solo trip, yun ang nagiging problema ko.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko kaya matulog mag-isa. So, we will conquer that fear. Babalitaan ko kayo kung magagawa natin yan.
Is there any specific timeline na parang, okay, by this time, gusto ko mag-solo trip?
Before
or
30
maybe
talaga sis.
before 30. And
Yes.
before ka magpakasal, maybe.
Actually, pasok naman. Because I'm
Mm-mm.
turning 30 September 2026.
Mm-mm.
So, that's also before the wedding.
Oo.
So, kailangan magawa ko na siya. Kasi pag kinasal na ako, mas hindi ko na siya magagawa, sis.
Oo nga.
So, parang, yun. Ito pa yung sabi ko kay Miggy, alam mo, let's compromise.
Mm-mm.
What if sumali na lang ako ng group tour? Kasi pag group tour, technically,
gets.
may
Oo.
kasama ka.
Mm-mm.
Pero in my head, hindi ko kayo kilala. So, solo trip. Parang
Oo.
ganun.
Tapos sa
Yeah.
group tour, nandun pala si Miggy, no? Na
Hindi.
para bang wala na naman siya doon.
Oh my gosh.
Oo.
Pero hintayin nyo na lang kung mangyayari siya.
Ayan. But when you talk about travel kasi, I think, especially for someone like me, who really watched you growing up.
Growing up,
Lagi-
oo. Lagi
lagi
niya
ko
sinasabi
sinasabi sa
yan.
kanya,
Pinapanood
growing
kita high school pa lang. So, ano sinasabi mo?
Pero totoo na, high school ako
Oo.
2017, around that
Yeah.
time. So when it comes to traveling, it's really nice how you're able to take your
Yeah.
followers with you, your community with you, na feeling namin talaga nakarating din kami
Mm.
doon. Or if not, it's always the sense of inspiration and motivation
Yeah.
that comes from your videos. So parang, oh, someday I want to be there. I want to feel what she feels like.
Yeah.
But can you tell us about what travel unlocks for you, or what does it do for you?
Yeah. I think for me kasi it's really a breather.
Mhm.
More than anything. I like the fact that I could just visit a super strange place. Like, I
Mhm.
know nothing of it.
Mm-mm.
And it just pushes me to this limit to really get to know like the culture, the people. And I don't think halata siya, but I'm a history geek.
Mhm.
So, kami ni Miggy yung type of travelers that we really sign in for audio guides when we
Oo.
travel. When we visit museums, we really spend hours and we like learning about the culture, the art, the people of that country or that place. So, it's really a breather for us. And for me, you never stop learning eh. And when
That's
you
true.
visit a new place, it's really when you learn more. And I like the fact na walang pressure to be the Ray that everybody knows.
Mm-mm.
Not that I'm a different person when I'm in a different country, but I get to go to groceries and
Mm-mm.
like go to malls na parang wala akong kailangan straight yung posture ko or
Oo.
dapat di ako mukhang basura kasi baka may
Oo.
makakilala sa akin or what. But yeah, aside from that, really traveling for me is a breather and a learning experience every time. Even if it's a place you've been to already.
Loving the episode of Wired to Wander? For more stories abroad, travel hacks, and spot recos, don't forget to stay connected to our socials. Catch the full-length episode and discover how to make every trip smoother. Only on Wired to Wander, powered by Smart Trav.